And this is not going to be
he's got him. This is going to be the big one. The big
Alexander James misses. Nui with a line.
No, not at all. This guy is crazy big tough, man. Look at him.
Oh my.
What he said.
I don't know what. Damage before he leaves.
Come on, ref.
Booyah.
Oh.
400 pounds right into the chest of those two guys.
Look at this. A double Samoan drop. Oh!
I have no idea what's going on at ringside.
Well, keep your eye on the action. Last time I saw this, the Glamazon Beth Phoenix did it to two men.
Oh, and Nui didn't even feel. Oh, what a drop! Oh my God, what's gonna happen here? Drop down. Oh my God! He leapfrogged him. Oh, into a Samoan drop.
Tofiga catches him in the center of the ring. This is going to hurt, Dwayne.
This is definitely gonna hurt.
Oh!
USA Bruce Chan up. Let's be real. No. That was also total chaos. And it's over.
Here it comes.
And here comes Nui.
Oh, the Samoan tsunami.
Tries to go for a drop kick and is unable to take the big man down.
Oh my God!
There's a headbutt. Nui Tofiga feeling pretty good about
And he
himself.
can dance.